I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace struts on a Toyota Prius. First, gather all necessary tools and safety equipment, including a torque wrench, various sockets, and reliable jack stands. Always prioritize your safety by wearing appropriate gear like gloves and safety glasses. Remember, securely supporting your vehicle on jack stands is crucial before beginning any work. Replacing both front struts at the same time is generally recommended for optimal vehicle balance and performance. To begin, safely lift your Prius and remove the wheel using a 21mm socket for the lug nuts. Next, disconnect the sway bar link, typically requiring a 17mm socket and a 6mm Allen wrench to prevent spinning. Carefully unbolt the brake hose and ABS sensor wiring from the strut assembly. Finally, remove the 3 upper strut mounting nuts, which may involve removing some cowl trim for better access. Be cautious not to damage the windshield during this step. Before installing, manually pump the new shock absorber 3 to 5 times to prime it. Carefully slide the new strut assembly into the wheel arch, ensuring the upper studs align with the mounting holes. Hand start the 3 upper mounting nuts, but do not tighten them fully yet. Next, connect the lower part of the strut to the steering knuckle using its 2 bolts. This allows for some play to align all components correctly before final tightening. Once everything is in place, tighten the lower strut bolts to 113 foot-pounds. Then, torque the upper strut mounting nuts to 29 foot-pounds. Reattach the brake hose and ABS sensor wiring, securing them to 14 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the wheels, torquing the lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is essential after replacing struts to ensure proper handling and tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.